Hello, today I'm going to be teaching myself how to fish. Let's get to it. Good morning. I do have a little advantage. My dad knows how to fish and he let me use his crap. So let's check out what he gave me. I got this fishing pole. Looks like it's cork. And my dad already put the hook and bobber, and the weight. Yeah, he put that stuff on already. So I gotta remember it just in case if it breaks. He said to cast the fishing pole, I hold this down and kind of. He gave me these things as well, so I'm gonna put these on. I think they're called waders, so I don't get wet. And he gave me this. There's fishing stuff in it. And I got my permit in here so I can fish legally. I paid $18 so I can fish here today. Why do I have to pay money to fish? I thought this was America. Let's go fishing. Fishing. Wow, it's beautiful. That tree is gorgeous. Wow, this looks like a path. It looks like people fish here. Okay, let's get right to it. This is my hook, nice and tiny. I don't think I'm gonna be catching anything big. Bait, come on. Oh, yes. Bloop. I'm supposed to pop this open and fill it with some water so it's heavier or something. That's good. Cool. Okay, so this is my first cast. Oh, shit. That was not good. Oh wow, there's some current. Oh, I think I need to step further out to get past these things. Third time's the charm, right? That was better. What do I do now? Oh, is that a fish? What is that? Oh my gosh, that was so good. I'm so good at fishing. I don't think I'm supposed to talk. I think I'm supposed to to get the fish, but that cast was. Oh my gosh. How am I so good at this? So peaceful. Oh my gosh, it's tangled. That was a great cast, but no way. Did I knot it? How did I mess this up already? Oh, that was easy. I lost my bait. It's probably because I threw it. It's really pretty here, but I don't think this is a good spot to fish. It just seems too wide. I'm gonna find another spot. I'm gonna head downstream. I went over there to get a nice scenic view, but I think this is better because it's narrower and I can stand out there. That kind of makes sense, right? So you want to funnel the fish into an area so you can throw the thingy fishing. I'm not sure about this bait though. Bright red. I don't know why fish would go for this. Actually, it kind of looks like fish eggs. Maybe that's the reason. The fish are eating fish eggs. Are they cannibals? We'll see. It's nice right here. Ooh, the current's strong. Pretty shallow. Maybe the fish are by the rocks. Let's see if I can cast it that far. I was given a fly lure or something. Looks like a fly on the end. I'm not sure if that would be better here. I also have a fly fishing rod in the back of my car, but it seems like fly fishing would be a lot harder than this type of fishing. I don't even know where to start with fly fishing. Patience. It's so cold, my nipples are chafing because they're hard as a rock. Is that like a TMI or what? A fish totally jumped over there. I need to throw it more that way. What the heck? It's a fin. Probably from a stand-up paddleboard. I'll keep this. That was bad. The weight keeps slipping. Super tight. Oh my gosh. That was terrible. Oh, I still have my bait and it didn't slip. That's a win. The water's moving so quickly. The waters are silent. I see no other fishermen. Maybe I'm too loud. I have a good feeling about this. You like it? Come on, take it. Ooh, come on, come on. Ooh, ooh. How far do you think I can cast it? You think I could hit the island over there? Oh, power but no direction. No! Right in the bushes. I'm not very relaxed right now. And I think fishing's all about being relaxed. I need to be loose with it. I see some water in there. If I can somehow cross this and get over there, that might have some action. I'm gonna check that out. I was able to cross right there. It's really shallow. This looks nice. It's nice and stagnant. Gotta be quiet. Oh yes, I like this area. Shh. God damn it. How did I do that? No sign of any fish. This is a lot harder than Pokemon fishing. My feet are getting so cold. I don't know what to do. It's been like 4 hours. I haven't caught anything. I'm gonna try to find someone that knows what they're doing and kind of just watch them. My feet are so cold and I can't wait to put my shoes on, get in there and turn the heater on. The trees are so pretty. There's a bridge right there and I was past that, kind of around the bend. The water seems quicker over here and I don't see anybody fishing. Is fly fishing better in water like this? Because you can kind of just, is that why they just go like this? Such a cool path. Wow. Gorgeous. This is pretty unreal. Oh wow, it keeps going. Yeah, wow, another path. I wonder if there's fish in here. I kind of want to hike in there and catch some fish, but I saw a sign at the parking lot over there. So I'm gonna look at the sign before I go. Xmas chili water. What the hell does that mean? Any legal tackle. 2 trout only. Yeah, if I could only get 1. Information. Huh. I don't know what any legal tackle means. I just have a hook. I don't know if that's okay or not. And I can't go on the internet to see what that means because I have no service out here. Yeah. What do I do? I'm gonna go for a little hike. I'm not gonna bring my fishing stuff because I don't wanna break the law or whatever. I'll scout it out for next time. I see fish. Oh, I wanna catch these fish. That plan I had before about hiking, I don't think so. Okay, new plan. I was standing on the bridge that I kind of pointed to before. It doesn't have that Xmas chili sign with the legal tackle. So I think on this side of the bridge, I should be fine because I was fishing here before and I didn't see anything. On the other side of the bridge, I think that's where it starts getting special. I'm kind of stoked right now that I saw those fish. Whew! There are people here, so I'm gonna be a little bit more low key. But wow, I'm so excited right now. I kind of broke my door, so this is how I have to open it now. That doesn't work, so I have to reach around, and that works. There's a metal like wire thing here that connects to the handle via a little piece of plastic, and I broke the plastic, so this doesn't engage the wire to push the lock open. Oh well. Oh, shit. That was bad. Oh my gosh, that was bad too. What the hell? Oh my god. I'm thinking about it too much now. Before I was doing like kind of decent. That was really good. Please, I'm ready to catch you. Let me try to launch this. Ready? Oh, that was my best cast. That was so good. No luck. It might be my bait. I have these little fly things. Maybe these will work better. My line. Plop. Okay, let's see if I remember how to tie a knot. 1, 2, 3. This is good, I did it. Yep. Because it's a fly, I don't think I need bait on it. So we'll see what happens. Ka-chow! Do flies work even though I'm not fly fishing? Does that make sense? Or is this really stupid? I'm gonna make it act like a fly. Ho, 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 ho. Yeah! There's plenty of fish in the sea, but I'm in a river and they don't like me. How's it going? Good thing I came back when I did. The game warden was by my car. They're like, oh, you need to pay for parking. But I'm kind of done. Yeah, I think I'm done. Fly fishing. I need to learn how to fly fish. I don't think this is a bait fishing area. Anyways, that's it for me. Thank you for watching. And yeah, if you have any advice, please let me know. Goodbye.